Hi everybody, April here with Cannabis Care Team. In this video I want to talk a little bit about storing your cannabis. So if you're going to store your cannabis flower, maybe for a long period of time, over a month or so, you want to take it out of what you've purchased it in, and you want to keep it in something that's, a dark container, stored in a cool, dry place. And you want to make sure that the container has a moisture control pack. You can see that is in there, right there. So you want to prevent your cannabis buds from getting wet, having moisture, because you really want to prevent mold. Mold can actually be pretty nasty, and it's certainly not something that you want to smoke or inhale. So that for your dried cannabis buds. And this came from a dispensary up in Maine, Earthly Delights. Now when I make oil, so this is a CBD oil. I make it in a crock pot. I cook it, for 12 hours with coconut oil and the cannabis plant itself. And so I typically freeze at least half of it. And so I just put it in a jar, and I just got this out of the freezer, and it's frozen. So that's going to allow it to last a lot longer. I mean, 6 to 12 months in the freezer. This is good. So those, I think, are the two best ways for long-term storage for your cannabis products. And if you do have edibles, you can always store those in the refrigerator. You can freeze those as well. But what you really don't want to do is you don't want to have something like this out laying around. Not that this is appealing to children or anything, which you always want to keep your medicine, your cannabis, your CBD, locked up away from kids. But this was given to me in this, and it has been out at room temperature for a couple days, so my bad. It just is not going to last as long. If this was out for months at a time and I opened the lid, it would probably smell pretty funky, or probably have some mold on it. So I'm going to get this in the refrigerator as soon as possible. So there it is. Storing your cannabis products is really important because, again, you don't want to inhale mold and you don't want to eat it. And this is going to allow your products to last quite a bit longer. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.